guys, I am Chef Janet, and remember last time when I made this one cupcake ripper? We're going to make this cupcake ripper. But the first thing you need to do is make the candy. Here. Oh wait, there's already some on there. Take the beak. Take their little nose. Their mouth. Stick it up right there so the belly doesn't get it. Take our last belly and then stick it on there. And then next we're going to get the eyebrows, which you have to do for them.
Why do you do the eyebrows, J. Nick?
Because they make them look angry. How do you not know? Mad. Take a look.
Okay, what's next? What's next?
Next, we're going to make the eyes. Take 2 of these and take 2 of these. 1, 2. Stick them right there. Stick them right there. Move this eyebrow over a little bit so we can put this eye right over so we can put our eyes. Scoot this one over too.
Very good. So you're going to go ahead and put your other eyebrow on there? Put your other eye?
Other eye.
Okay.
Mommy, does mine look
It looks good, baby. It looks so good. Okay, what's
And
next?
then, the last thing to do is just put on the eyes.
All right, show us how to do it.
Yes.
All right. What do you tell everybody for watching?
Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye.